Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. If you're as excited about the future of artificial intelligence as I am, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into OpenAI's new scale to track the progress of their AI systems. And trust me, it's pretty mind-blowing. So, OpenAI has developed a 5-tiered classification system to measure how close they are to achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Now, AGI is the holy grail of AI. It's a level where AI would outperform humans in nearly all economically valuable tasks. Big stuff, right? Right now, OpenAI's chatbots, like the famous ChatGPT, are at level 1. These are the kinds of AI tools you can chat with, ask questions, and even get decent advice from for everyday stuff. Think of it as having a very smart assistant who can chat, but isn't quite ready to replace your PhD friend. But here's where it gets interesting. OpenAI says they're nearing level 2. What's that, you ask? It's AI that can solve basic problems at the level of a PhD holder. Imagine an AI that can tackle scientific problems, understand complex theories, and even contribute to academic research. Wild, right? Further up the scale, we have level 3, where AI can take actions on your behalf. Think of having an AI agent that can not only understand your needs, but also execute tasks like booking flights, managing your schedule, or even making investment decisions. Then there's level 4. This is where AI starts getting really creative. We're talking about AI that can invent new things, like creating a new form of energy, coming up with new drugs, or designing revolutionary products. This is where AI goes from being a helper to being an inventor. And finally, we arrive at level 5, which is the ultimate goal, AGI. At this stage, AI can perform the work of entire organizations. Imagine an AI that could run a company, manage teams, make strategic decisions, all on its own. That's AGI, my friends. It's a game changer for the entire world. OpenAI's mission isn't just about creating powerful AI. It's also about ensuring that AGI benefits all of humanity. According to their charter, if another safety-conscious project gets close to building AGI before they do, OpenAI will stop what they're doing to assist. It's a bold commitment to ethical AI development. Achieving AGI, however, isn't going to be cheap. We're talking about billions upon billions of dollars in computing power to get there. Experts have diverse opinions on the timeline, but in October 2023, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said, "We might be only 5 years away from reaching this milestone." Just imagine that. Recently, OpenAI announced a collaboration with Los Alamos National Laboratory. This partnership is all about exploring how their advanced AI models can safely assist in bioscientific research. The goals include testing capabilities and setting safety benchmarks, a crucial step considering the power these systems will wield. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing. OpenAI dissolved its safety team back in May after some key departures, and this has raised concerns. One former researcher even claimed that the safety culture at OpenAI had taken a backseat to creating shiny new products. A pretty big deal if you ask me. Now, the internal levels OpenAI is working with haven't been fully detailed publicly. However, they showcased a research project using GPT-4 during an all-hands meeting, which supposedly demonstrates skills that are quite close to human reasoning. This kind of transparency, or lack thereof, keeps everyone on the edge of their seats. Recently, former OpenAI employee Leopold Aschenbrenner claimed on a podcast that OpenAI had plans to start an AGI bidding war between the US, China, and Russia. He called these plans pretty messed up, and it's easy to see why. These are the kinds of behind-the-scenes stories that make you question what's really going on. Aschenbrenner was actually fired for sharing what he thought was a non-sensitive planning horizon with outside researchers. He mentioned a memo warning about the CCP potentially stealing key algorithmic secrets, which HR found racist and unconstructive. This gives us a glimpse into the internal tensions at one of the world's leading AI companies. Interestingly, OpenAI's new 5-tier scale doesn't directly mention AGI. The absence of the term makes you wonder, is reaching level 5 the same as achieving AGI? How do they define it internally compared to other AI researchers? There are still a lot of open questions. For instance, Google DeepMind has a different set of milestones. Their ladder goes from emerging to competent, expert, virtuoso, and then superhuman. None of these align exactly with OpenAI's levels, which shows the lack of consensus in the field. Can we truly measure an undefined frontier? Currently, according to OpenAI, They're on the brink of level 2 reasoners, AI systems that can tackle basic problem-solving tasks as well as a PhD holder. While that sounds impressive, how close does it really get them to AGI? The ambiguity is real. This ambiguity might be strategic. OpenAI can showcase progress without claiming to achieve AGI prematurely, keeping the public and stakeholders engaged without inciting fear. And let's face it, nobody wants to trigger a panic before we're ready to handle such advancements. What's clear is that the journey to AGI is neither simple nor straightforward. OpenAI's 5 tiers might be just one way to measure progress, but each step brings new challenges and responsibilities. Achieving AGI would redefine economies, societies, and even our day-to-day lives. OpenAI's progress towards AGI will be decided by its board, including high-profile members like Sam Altman, Brett Taylor, and Adam D'Angelo. This board's decisions will be pivotal in shaping the future of AI and potentially the future of human civilization as we know it. So what do you think? Are we on the brink of an AGI revolution, or is it just a distant dream? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more on AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Let's make this community the go-to place for all things AI. Thanks for watching All About AI Tech, and until next time, stay curious. In a fascinating turn of events, OpenAI has teamed up with Los Alamos National Laboratory to explore how advanced AI models like GPT-4 can safely contribute to bioscientific research. This collaboration aims to set benchmarks for safety and effectiveness, helping guide future developments. What does this mean for us? It shows that AI is not just about automation, it's about pioneering advancements that could change our world. However, it's not all smooth sailing. OpenAI dissolved its safety team after the group's leader, Ilya Sutskever, left the company. This has raised some eyebrows, especially when another key researcher also resigned, citing concerns over the company's focus on safety. These developments are certainly something to keep an eye on as OpenAI moves forward. During an all-hands meeting, OpenAI showcased a new research project using the GPT-4 model. This project is said to display some skills remarkably close to human reasoning. While OpenAI hasn't detailed how they assign their internal levels publicly, they believe this development is a big step forward. Interesting claims have surfaced from a former OpenAI employee, Leopold Aschenbrenner, during an interview on a tech podcast. He revealed that OpenAI had allegedly planned to start an AGI bidding war between the US, China, and Russia. He found it surprising and troubling, describing such plans as pretty messed up. That's a lot to unpack. Let's discuss it. As for Aschenbrenner's exit from OpenAI, it gets even more interesting. He was fired after sharing a memo warning about the potential for China to steal key algorithmic secrets. HR deemed this memo racist and unconstructive, leading to his termination. This incident sheds light on the internal challenges companies face while navigating groundbreaking innovations. One fascinating thing to point out is OpenAI's new 5-tiered scale to track AI progress, which interestingly doesn't mention AGI explicitly. Is level 5 synonymous with achieving AGI, or is there yet another level we haven't heard of? Your guess is as good as mine. OpenAI's way of categorizing AI progress is different from its rivals, like Google DeepMind. DeepMind's milestones are emerging, competent, expert, virtuoso, and superhuman. None of these match exactly with OpenAI's levels, emphasizing how diverse viewpoints are within the AI community. Currently, OpenAI claims they are on the brink of achieving level 2 reasoners. These are AI systems that can solve basic problems as well as a PhD holder. While impressive, it still leaves us wondering how far we really are from AGI. It's an exciting, albeit ambiguous, journey. As we move forward, it's crucial to understand the impact these advanced AI systems will have across sectors. From healthcare to finance, AI promises to revolutionize the way we live and work. Yet, each step towards AGI stirs up questions, fears, and enormous excitement about what's possible. Interestingly, the ultimate call on AGI's arrival at OpenAI will lie with their board. This board, comprising influential members like Sam Altman and Brett Taylor, will make pivotal decisions that shape the future of AI development. The stakes couldn't be higher, and their choices will resonate worldwide. So, we've covered a lot today. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think we're on the verge of an AGI revolution, or is it still a far-off dream? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Thanks for being a part of All About AI Tech. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of AI.